Hi guys, welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 to 6. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Here, question number 1 to 6, which is you can see on the screen. So actually, we have prepared all the answers of all the subjects, and here we are discussing question number all six here of data science, data entry operations 1, 2, and 3. All are about the 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and question number 5 are the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6, which is about 500 words. And this is a project based question. If you want this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. If you have other queries, we are here for help you. Thank you so much.